Hi, teacher and classmate. My name is Pilar Walter. I have 34 years old and I am an employer. I have two children that 9 and 12 years old that they all study at a distance because in my village don't have a school. Um, Today, I make the comparison of Manzanares and Bogota City. My village is less big than city um, because don't have much people. Manzanares have 50 person in life. Bogota have greater hospital than Manzanares. Bogota have greater school than Manzanares. But Manzanares is a place that you have contact with the nature. The weather is hotter than Bogota. The air is cleaner than Bogota. The water is poorer than Bogota. Um, a greater variety of animals than Bogota, and Manzanares is calmer than the city. It's Manzanares is very good. Thank you.